Welcome to GeoStellar, the Sustainable Energy Network. We help homeowners like you who want to slash utility bills and fight climate change with solar panels and energy-efficient technologies. With GeoStellar, bring the green energy revolution to your home. Starting is as simple as typing in your address. You'll discover your solar savings potential. You might find amazing results, just like Debbie and Tom.
What we'd like to do with the farm is actually be self-sustaining, or putting up solar panels in hopes of eventually one day coming off the grid.
Gain energy independence or get off the grid entirely by producing your own solar power and increasing your energy efficiency.
These 8 and 2 panels are wired in a series, and that's what gives you enough electric quality to take your home or building either partially or in this case totally off the electric grid.
You might be concerned about climate change, which is caused by carbon in the atmosphere. We'll show you how much you'll cut your carbon pollution by going solar.
Last year we put on solar panels, a 12-panel system on our house. Our neighbors here put on a 40-panel system, and then our neighbors here put on another 12-panel system. So now the town engineers call this the solar district.
Whether you're just getting started or have already gone solar, you can share your experience and encourage others to save money, gain energy independence, and fight climate change. Visit Debbie and Tom, Dan, Scott, and many other green energy revolutionaries right here on GeoStellar. Now is the time to start your own green energy revolution.